Check this out, this is the brand new M18 FUEL 1/4 inch riveting tool from Milwaukee. This tool put aluminium, steel and stainless rivets from 4.76 to 7.14 millimeters effortlessly and quickly. It's got 2,041 kilograms of pulling force with really impressive running times as well. With a smaller 2 amp hour battery, you can expect to pull up to 500 1/4 inch aluminium blind rivets. With a 5 amp hour like this one, well, you're gonna run out of rivets, aren't you? It's got a little ring and pin at each tip which holds the rivet while you get jiggy with it so you won't drop it while you locate the hole. And all the stems are captured in the rear with a clear window so you can see how full it is, so you're not going to find them all over the roof or over the floor of your workshop. It comes with the 4 tips for the 4 sizes in this class, and they're all attached to the tool so you're not going to lose them. Those tips are really easy to change. The tool for changing them is on board. You can either remove the tool and change the tips on the end, or you can remove the whole nozzle assembly and change the tips in the tool's location, which is my personal preference. The tool's got a nice narrow reach as well, so you can get yourself right up into the corner of a box section or near an edge. And if you need more reach on the end, Milwaukee sells an extension separately, which effectively doubles the reach of the end of the tool. Ergonomically, the tool's got nice grips with rubber overmolds, really comfortable to hold. There's a tethering anchor point up on top, and there's a belt clip on the side when you need to put the tool down. And this tool also comes standard with 1 key for tracking and managing the tool with the 1 key app on your phone. Pull larger rivets faster, no hoses or compressors necessary with the M18 FUEL Rivet Tool with 1 key from Milwaukee. Check it out in store or online at sydneytools.com.au. Hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.